Hi everybody, this is Mike with Wilkins. I'm here to show you how the new football field sound system works. When the system is off, this button here is our power. This is sequenced power, so that's going to turn on 4 stages of power to all of the equipment in the rack. You'll notice the flashing lights here. Each one of these will light up. When all 4 of these are lit up, everything will be turned on. Once the system is turned on, you'll notice the new control screen here. So these are going to be your volumes for your 4 inputs. So we're going to have volume for the music, volume for the handheld wireless, volume for the referee wireless, and volume for the announcer microphone. This is the volume for the huddle cam output. Each one of these also has a mute button. And you can adjust the volumes here by turning them up or down. When this system is ready to be turned off, you'll hit the same button here, and that will turn the power off in a reverse sequence the same way that it turned on. Down in this drawer here, you'll find the wireless. This is our handheld wireless, HH wireless, that corresponds to HH wireless here. The power button for this is that red circle on the bottom. Hold that button down. The screen will light up. You can also push that button once quickly for a mute, and then push it again to unmute. Hold the button down to turn the power off. This is our referee wireless. The power button is right here. Hold that down to turn it on, and hold it down again to turn it off. The mute button for this is on the top, but we also do have the referee on and off switch. So this will mount sideways to a belt or pants, and then this will be on and off for the signal. This headset is adjustable, so you can tighten or loosen this as you need to fit. And lastly, we have our music input here. This will take either stereo, 3.5mm aux, or a left and right RCA like we are leaving you here that will be inside the rack drawer. Now that it's ready for the system to be turned off, we come back to our switch here, and you'll see the flashing lights on red signifying that it's shutting off the power to the equipment in the sequence.